Today I'm going to show you some quick tightening tips for your Bairn carrier. So when you're using your Bairn in a front carry, whether you're using cross straps at the back, like so, or whether you're using the chest strap at the back, hopefully these tightening tips will help you get the perfect fit. So first of all, when you're going to tighten the straps on your Bairn carrier, you want to bring all of the slack in your strap around to your buckle and then tighten it. So you can see here, I'll just shrug my shoulder back as I pull the webbing down and towards my buckle. And then I can just grab that webbing and pull it through and backwards up towards where the webbing came from. Now if you're finding that motion a little bit tricky, there's a little tip you can try. So pull out the webbing to the side, tuck your elbow in front of it and move your arm upwards, and that will just tweak the webbing through the buckle there. Now another trick that you can try, I will show on the other side. So if you again bring that extra slack towards your buckle here, and then you can swap hands, reach around, take hold of that webbing and pull it through, and at the same time lift under baby's bottom. And you might find that that's a little bit easier to tighten using your opposite hand. So hopefully these tips will help you get the best out of your Bairn carrier, but if you're still having any problems at all, please do join our Facebook group Clan Oscha, or you can email us at info@oschaslings.com and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye!